Back in the country, living on the double E, in the sunshine of her life. There's a ready young filly, but Mom and Daddy won't let her leave. Mom and Papa won't let her go. But when they go out dancing.
All right, super easy camper van dinner number 2. Tonight we have pork again. I love pork. I love pork because you get all this protein and meat for $3.92. I just can't even, I don't know, I just can't do beef anymore. Like when I'm walking through the grocery store, and pork is just so good too. It just tastes so darn good. But in any case, it's cheap and it tastes bloody delicious, especially in these dishes. So here it goes. And don't want to eat that. Get rid of that. So tonight, one of the things I love to do is, there's a million ways to cook a million different types of meat. Well, maybe not. Seems like you can get so many methods of cooking so many meats to get so many different flavors and da 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 da. But what I like to do is focus on the sauces. And today in most grocery stores, there are so many different types of sauce available. So many different flavors you can get, and you can mix these amazing flavors. You don't have to go right from scratch. Although my spice drawer is huge, I've got just about everything there could possibly be. But for some reason, maybe just because I suck, I can never seem to really nail stuff quite as well as these packets that come like this. And I mean, for the price you pay and the simplicity and ease, I'm sold, man. I can't really be bothered to really make stuff from scratch. It just no matter how closely you follow the recipes with ethnic foods, just never seem to be able to nail it very well. So, not at least compared to a good restaurant, anyway. I mean, I can make stuff and it tastes good, but it's not something that I would sell in a restaurant. Not something I could compete with professional chefs, that's for darn sure. So why not make them? They can make the sauce and sell it to me for like $2 or $3, and then I can make a wonderful dinner out of it. I think it's totally worth it. So this, just going to let this brown. And when that's done browning, then I'm going to add some of this paste. Throw this paste in there. And after that cooks in the paste for a little while, then we're going to throw this coconut milk in there. And then I'm going to throw these herbs in there. And these chili peppers. Ooh, it's going to be hot. And I'm going to throw some mixed vegetables in there. And that's another thing. Today, I just don't know. I don't think I can find a better deal on vegetables than these bags of pre-cut vegetables. You just get an amazing deal. Like it's insane how much you get out of this. So, and it's already cut and it's fresh vegetables. You know, you buy all the stuff separately, but it costs a heck of a lot more. And I'd normally never even be able to get through it all before it starts to go bad. So, yeah, I'm all about that too. And that is it. You know, that's gonna make one amazing meal. And bloody simple. So few steps, and such amazing flavor. All right, so this pork fried simply in a little bit of olive oil. It was smelling absolutely delicious without even any spice. It's probably got something to do with my pan too, which is just, it's got this incredible flavor to it now. But now I've put in the curry sauce and mixed it, and it is smelling absolutely outrageously good. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. So that's that. Next step is to add this coconut milk to the mixture. So this is the green curry. Alright, coconut is in. And just a lot more pushing around. So I'm going to let that simmer for a while. And actually I'm going to go ahead and throw in the vegetables right away, because I like them a little bit softer. And this packet of herbs too. It's going to be so good. Alright, so now I've just added some vegetables and the herbs, and mixing that around. Get all that flavor into the cauliflower. And that's it. We'll just let that steam for a little while. And this is like literally, I don't know what, 10 minutes? Probably around there. And that is darn close to something I would pay for in a restaurant. And that is so simple in one pan and so quick to clean with some paper towel. Delish. And if I didn't say this earlier, this was the Blue Dragon Thai green curry 3-step meal. Absolutely wonderful. You know, this is
when the red light shines on the streets of hate, where the devil dines, who knows what he ate. It's a simple thing, trying to stay afloat. The captain said, without his boat, some things are getting better, other things a little worse. It's a situation much like a curse.